Hi everyone, welcome to my channel, and you're probably here because you purchased one of my kits, and this is what is included, and what you'll need is a 10-inch hoop and a pair of scissors. So let's get started. To find the center of my fabric project, I fold it in half twice and I finger press in the middle, and that will give you the center point to start with. So go ahead and line that up with your hoop, kind of just eyeball it. Okay, so next just grab your branch and lay it out and just get an idea of where you want it to lay. And then with your 3 strands of embroidery floss, start from the back and just start pinning it down this way, going in from one side, and go as close as you can right over the branch to the other side. Okay, so once you're done with all those stitches, turn around to the back and tie off a knot and secure it and cut. Make sure to keep your fabric nice and tight. Okay, so go ahead and grab your darker pink and we're gonna start doing our French knots. So go ahead and grab a little longer than an arm's length and cut, and we're gonna use 3 strands. Starting from the back, pull forward, making sure you don't knot up in the back. And what you do is twist that thread around the needle 3 times and go right back into the same hole. Press down, and what you want to do is you want to make sure that knot stays into place. So what I like to do is place my thumb and pull, and there you go, you have your French knot. Continue on placing your French knots wherever you would like. Some you should space them a little bit, and some you should snug them up right against the branch. Just be very random with it, otherwise it'll look not as natural. Once you're satisfied with your darker pink, go ahead and grab your lighter pink and pull off about an arm's length and take 3 strands. Using the inspiration photo in the beginning, I wanted to create the pattern to look like the blossoms were floating around. So just place random French knots up above and a little bit below. Once you're all done, you can frame your work, or what I chose to do was to trim the edges off like this. Just go ahead and trim maybe like 3 inches around. And then thread your needle with some floss, tie a knot at the end, and then space apart your stitches about 1 inch in between like this, and go all the way around. Then all you have to do is just pull on your floss and the threads will do the work. Then you're going to take a couple stitches to secure your work, and then you're going to knot it off and trim, and you're done.